I am repairing a cut extension wire. It is cut at the stem. Either poor material or poor design. Perhaps bending and turning of the wire causes stress and worn at the stem. Perhaps if they allow more flexibility at stem, the wire may last longer. I'm no electrician, but I'm going to repair this applying some sort of pokey yoke, forming a knot that serve as strong anchor of the wire at the housing, lessening tension of the copper screwed at the terminal. To continue with my DIY video, perhaps due to bending and turning of the extension, the wire at the stem worn and broke. Applying the idea of pokey yoke, there must be a stronger anchor at the casing portion, where the conductor alone is not. Stress during handling. I applied a knot as stopper of the stress at the terminal during extension handling. Then I removed the insulation about 1 centimeter at both ends of the wire.
I'll connect now the wire to the terminals. It's good there's provision for crimp spade. Secure the strands of wire carefully intact just inside the spade. Then crimping using pliers. Ensure tightness of the joint. Do the same with other terminal. Rearrange, reassemble back the terminal inside the casing. Secure the knot well in the hole in the casing. Assemble the rest of the accessories, especially these terminal tensioner spring. Ensure proper alignment carefully. Once done, replace the screws. Tighten the screws, enough and not too tight so as not to break the plastic housing. The knot will serve as the protection of the terminal connections from breaking under normal pulling or handling. This, I believe, is pokey yoke principle applied. Okay, let's see if the newly repaired extension wire works. Perfect. It is now working.